So y'all know that wig, I did a whole half up half down tutorial. It was a synthetic wig. Well, ma'am has a human hair dupe. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shiana. I create all different types of hair, makeup, fashion, and lifestyle related videos as well. As you can see, your girl got a new do. I know, she's beautiful, absolutely hands down beautiful. And guess what, she's glueless. I do not have any of this lace glued down. I just used an elastic band and I pulled my own baby hairs out in the front just because I wanted it to look super soft. I wanted this wig to be super low maintenance, something that anybody can achieve. Of course, you still have to customize your lace if you want that look, making it look a little bit more natural. The only customization I did was I cut here and around my hairline just because y'all know I have a small forehead, so I had to make that work. But if you have a bigger forehead, you honestly don't even have to do that. You could just put a little foundation on the knots to kind of make it mesh and go on about your business. I decided to put some Flexirods in her, give her a little bit more body. Messy, big, voluminous curls due for the springtime. I actually had a shoot today, which is why I have my hair looking like this, and I did like a springy makeup look. If you are interested in this makeup look, I will have a tutorial. It is coming, so stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's hop right into the specs of this hair. Alright guys, so the package does come via DHL in this cute little orange box. The hair is wrapped up in there, and you also get a cute little goodie bag of goodies. Now I'm just unpackaging the hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the construction of the wig. You've got 4 combs and adjustable strap in the back, lace from ear to ear. Lace doesn't actually come bleached, so if you want to bleach it, you can. You have that option. I did not. Here I'm just showing you the inside of the wig, so you don't actually have full lacing on the sides. It's just more in the center. Now I'm just kind of showing you a 360 of the hair fresh out of the packaging. Super full, super bouncy. I was concerned if the curl pattern was going to stay, and after washing and letting the hair air dry, the curls definitely stayed. I'm just showing you what the hair looks like when it is wet, and I am about to go ahead and lay my hair down, and you'll see what the hair looks like once it's air dried. Okay guys, so this is the hair freshly washed and air dried. Of course the top is a lot frizzier due to me doing a little bit of plucking, as well as just combing through the hair and everything like that. But this underneath is like the natural curl pattern of the hair, and y'all, I'm obsessed with this natural pattern. This is their body wave hair. I don't know if y'all have been following me or subscribed to my channel that long, but when I did the half up half down with that half wig, the synthetic half wig, I'll link a picture or the video right beside me. But a lot of people were looking for hair that was similar to that synthetic wig, which was super big, super voluminous, and had a lot of body. And that's exactly what this wig is. Like, if I was to let this wig air dry upside down and like did like a diffused set or like a twist out on this, game changer. I just wanted to show y'all the natural curl pattern real quick of on this wig, and I'll do a full 360 so you guys can see like the whole shebang. So this is 22 inches of their natural body wave hair. This hair is so soft, it's so thick. I didn't actually, as you can see, literally, I didn't bleach my knots. I don't feel like it. it's too much work. This is a black wig. I can literally put some powder in it and go. Like, I got this wig due to it being such a low maintenance. Like, this hair is for somebody who literally wants to put on a wig and go. Do y'all see this curl pattern? Sis is banging. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling her with the Flexirods, and I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve my big voluminous Flexirod set on this body wave hair. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Alright, to start off my Flexirods, I'm just showing you guys what I used, which is a paddle brush, my Flexirods spray bottle, and my TGIN curl mousse. This stuff is a game changer for curly weave and natural hair. So I'm just sectioning my hair out of the way that I'm not going to be working with, and I take my sections depending on how tight or loose you want your curls. It's personal preference, but I kind of wanted mine to, like I said, to be super big, so I used slightly bigger sections with a smaller Flexirod to get the style of curl that I achieved. So here I'm just taking a few pumps of my curl mousse, and I just comb that through the hair all the way, and I take my Flexirod. I believe I started with the orange Flexirods. They're like your medium size to small size Flexirod. And I kind of start my wrapping different from most other people who can do theirs in many different ways. But I start wrapping from the center, and I work my way down, and then I work my way back up, because it kind of gives me more volume at the root and more of a spiral towards the end of the strand. When it comes to Flexirod curls, just play around, see what you like. There's no right or wrong way to achieve whatever look you're going for. It just kind of depends on the type of curl you want and the size of the Flexirod. That is all, but you can just continue to watch to see how I wrap my hair. The hair is extremely soft, super bouncy, super full. Didn't have any tangling, didn't have any shedding. The only shedding I had from me cutting the lace in the front and just combing that hair out. That was the only time I got shedding. The hair, oh my gosh, like y'all, she is so beautiful. I want to know what y'all think. Like, tell me your thoughts in the comments because sis is giving me all types of summer vibes. Like, I'm probably gonna be wearing her all summer due to, you know, sis being glueless. We gotta give her a name though, for real. She's giving me like Rapunzel, like Black Rapunzel. But without further ado, that is it for this tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed the show and tell, the specs on the hair, this hair in general. I will leave all details and specs on this hair down below so you have access to get her. I also have a coupon code. I will have all of the information to this wig linked down below so you have access to purchase this hair. I also have a coupon code. It is ShianaX20, so if you want to use that for money off, you can. Y'all, if you decide to purchase this hair, make sure to use my discount code so that way you can save some coins and we can be rocking sis together. Without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.